Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick, because I don't know if I'm not sure if I did it already or not, a Minnie Mouse birthday theme Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, and a Walmart haul for you guys, where if you have a theme or a Disney theme birthday party, you will know where I find all these things, and you can try it and see if you find it in your stores, because they do vary. So I'm going to show you what I have found at the stores and give you ideas. So let's get to it. So here we have all of the Minnie Mouse items that actually, like, it's a Minnie Mouse. These balloons, I got them at the dollar store. They do have the pink and the red, and that's what I'm going for, the pink and the red decorations. And right here is the rest of them. So we're gonna go ahead and go item per item, and I'm going to put it in this baggie, which I got from the 99-cent store. I showed this one at a haul already, as well as the Minnie Mouse one as well. So I'm gonna be showing you what I got and from where. These are not for Minnie Mouse related, but I did get it at the 99-cent store. I got this table cover, Minnie Mouse table cover. I'm thinking at the end it's just the Minnie Mouse heads. This one was from Walmart, as well as this tiaras, but it's actually like Minnie Mouse ears at Walmart. I also got her headband at Walmart. They're kind of like sequency. Her dress, it is red, but her bow, it is pink. I couldn't find a pink dress. And I got the red dress in clearance, I believe. I'll show you if I have time. And this ones, I like that they're puffy, and I got it at the Walmart. I found this one as well at the Walmart, and this one was actually on clearance for $5 before it was $8.97. And of course is these paper lanterns with the Minnie Mouse heads, and they are on the pink and black. Almost all of the decorations for Minnie, like party related, were pink and black. That's Walmart. I also got these plates from Walmart. They're like kind of like the head shape of Minnie Mouse. They're 8. So I got these at Walmart, and I got these tiny ones at Walmart too, I believe. Yes, which has the bigger Minnie Mouse. This one's, I'm thinking, for the cake for adults, and this one for kids. Either way, they're just plates. I got this one at the 99-cent store, or was it the dollar store? I can't remember. Either one. No, it was the 99-cent store. I also got this banner Minnie Mouse at the Walmart as well. Now, between these, I got these at the blue Walmart and those at the green Walmart. And the rest of it over here is kind of 99-cent store and dollar store. I got this one 20 sandwich bags, mini reusable. You can see it has like a little pattern right there with the Minnie Mouse. Look at that, it has that Minnie Mouse. This one has 20 and this one has 25. These ones are the sandwich, these ones are the snack bag, and these are from the dollar store. This one were also from the dollar store. I'm gonna put something else in it, and then Layla and Luna could keep it. I had it in a haul from the dollar store before. They're kind of like the bigger size of the cups, and it has Daisy as well in there. Now we go to that 99-cent store stuff. I found these cups. They were $1.99 though. They were not 99 cents. They're the Minnie brand, and I'm thinking these were used to be, they used to sell them at the Walmart, but now it's from the 99-cent store. And it has these little mini cups, and of course it has Minnie, bows and shoes and glasses, and I have 2 of them. Now they're 8, so 16, and I'm thinking of putting Doritos in there. So there's that. I got these 2 napkins. I believe this one, yeah, this one is from Walmart, and the prices, they vary from $1.99, $2.99, $3.99, but they're at Walmart. And these are 16 with the bows. And now these ones were at the 99-cent store. These ones were at the 99-cent store for $1.99, and I liked, you know, this one is just one pattern completed. And this one has the Minnie Mouse like this, and then a tinier Minnie Mouse on the back. It's so cute. Can you see it? It's so cute. $1.99. This one has 16, as well as the other one. Kind of matched with the cups right here. Right here, I got these sending hearts, mini chocolate hearts. Just, these were like for the Easter, oh no, the Valentine's theme. But you can see they're good till 2022, so it's not like I'm giving them bad candy, and it's not that long ago. So I got, at that time, I didn't have them on clearance. I got them $1 each. So I got 4 minis, and I got just 2 Mickeys. They're $1. Now these ones were also from the dollar store. I only found 1 mini. If you saw my haul, there was only 1 mini, and there were more daisies, but they do have the Minnie Mouse Junior here over here. And I also got from the dollar store these stickers, which I use for the cups over here. This ones I also got it from the dollar store. These cups are a bit bigger, either the dollar store or the 99-cent store. You cannot go wrong. And I use the little stickers for these cups. You can see here, like, you can just stick it, and then your cups are they're themable now. I haven't put in the candy yet because I wanted to do that video. Look it, you can see the Minnie Mouse here. And if you hear Layla and Luna, it's because they're right behind me and they want to see everything. Look it, now the little cups are themable, so I got those for that. I also got these table covers. I got them in red because I don't know what I was thinking. Got them in red, and then I got them on black. And these ones are the longer one. They come in a different presentation. They used to come in like the longer ones like this, and now they come a little bit shorter. I kind of like them like this better, the space. And then I think I got these cups. This one's a long time ago, and I can't remember where I got them. They're the Hallmark Party brand, and I got them for a few cents, and I can't remember where it was. I can't remember if I got it at a thrift store or something, but it's just there. It's just a mini baby, and I got it. I got these goodie bags as well. I got these at the 99-cent store, but I already had used them, so most of them have candy. But I wanted to show you that they had the Mickey Mouse, and they also had a Minnie Mouse boutique theme, kind of like this. And I think I got them at the 99-cent store, or I could have gotten at Walmart as well, but they're just like $1. Then I got the party spoons in red, and these ones are the big ones. I showed you I got them at the 99-cent store. It's a really good deal for that. And that's basically it for the themable that has Minnie Mouse face in it items from Walmart, dollar store, 99-cent store that you can find. And if you wanna go and buy them, these things are kind of like, they're not seasonal on Walmart. On the 99-cent store, they are seasonal. You can find them, you cannot find them. And in the dollar store, it's the same like the 99 store. You can find it or not find it, but if you go right now, you probably most likely will. Oh, and I also got these balloons from the 99-cent store. They were $1.99, and they have the polka dots, and they're kind of big. And I'm gonna show you the dress. And this one is the dress. I'm trying to show you. Let me put it in here. I found this dress. This is red, and it has this pom-poms at the bottom, and it also has the ears, but these ones are a little bit thinner than the other ones that I got. And it was on clearance for $7. The time that I saw it, that was like around Christmas, I think. From $12, they had it for $7. And they do have the mini theme in pink, but the dress is red, and it has like the little Minnie Mouse, or what do you call this? I can't remember. But it is red, and it's not that fluffy, and it's a 2T. So I thought it was cute. So yeah, and it has the big bow right there. But yeah, there you have it. That is the haul for the Minnie Mouse theme items that you can find and get them. And yeah, that is all for you guys today. Comment down below what was your favorite item. Remember to click subscribe with the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. Other than that, I will see you next time. And goodbye.
Bye. Bye.